In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create memes in Slack with Giphy. If you've ever wanted to spice up your conversations with some fun and engaging memes, you've come to the right place. We'll take you through the process of integrating the Giphy app into Slack and demonstrate how you can use it to send GIFs instantly, adding a touch of humor and personality to your messages. Let's dive in and get started on this exciting journey to mastering memes in Slack. First, you'll need to open Slack and sign into your workspace. Once you're in and ready to go, take a look at the left sidebar. There, you'll find an option labeled Apps. Click on it to begin the process of adding Giphy to your Slack workspace. This is where you can discover and install various apps to enhance your Slack experience. What you'll want to do next is select either Add Apps or Browse Apps. Both of these options will take you to the section where you can find and incorporate new tools to help you communicate more effectively. In the search bar, type in Giphy. This will bring up the app and give you the option to integrate it into your Slack setup. Click Add to Slack or Install. Now you might be prompted to authorize the app. In some organizations, only workspace owners or admins have the permission to add new apps. So if you encounter any issues, it might be necessary to reach out to the admin for assistance. Once the app is authorized, congratulations, you've successfully integrated Giphy with Slack. Now that Giphy is all set up, let's move on to the fun part, actually using it to share memes with your team. You'll want to open the channel or direct message where you wish to share a GIF. In the message box at the bottom, simply type the command Giphy followed by a keyword that matches the mood or topic you're going for. For instance, if you want to express excitement, you could type Giphy celebration. Alternatively, if you're feeling supportive, a Giphy thumbs up is a great option. Once you've typed your command, press enter. Slack will then work its magic and display a random GIF that matches your keyword right in your chat for everyone to enjoy. Remember, this tool is fantastic for adding a bit of creative flair to your conversations and can help foster a more engaging and fun atmosphere at work. And there you have it. You've now learned how to create memes in Slack using Giphy, transforming your work communications into something much more lively and entertaining. Thanks for watching, and happy meme making in Slack.